So this fastener is rusted, and I'll try to clean with this sieve, but it doesn't remove. I've scrubbed this already, and this is just the result after I scrubbed. See the difference? Here is a bit shiny, but not so much. So I think, according to what they said, I need baking soda and aluminum foil and hot water. While the water is boiling, let's prepare the baking soda. Okay. Wow, that's so quick. Oh, it's foggy because of the smoke from the heat. Wow. This one is not working. This one works. So, let me think why. Only one is not working there. Maybe one is fake. What do you think? Why this one is not working? Oh, the other side works. See the difference now? I think we need to add more. So that's not cut. I don't cut the video for that. Okay, so let me cut this and we wait for like 2 minutes. You see the difference earlier, right? It's now a bit shiny. Okay, so after like, I think that was 10 minutes. You see, it's shiny, but not really that 100% clean, but the rust is not there. This one is a bit rust, but not that the original one. It's like more of this. This one didn't do, but his other side is a bit shiny, and this one also is shiny, but I still have a what's that, rust. So I therefore conclude this one is the winner. As you can see, this one is next. You see that? And this one is the last. The other side didn't do much. So I continue this to soak again until it's clean. Maybe I'll boil another water and redo again. And I think, yeah, so the dirt goes there. So that's it. Okay, so I therefore conclude it helps a little bit to clean up, but not 100% clean. The bloggers there that said, oh, it's easy to clean, but this is what I did. You can tell needs second round of cleaning.